Hey everyone, this is my weekly analysis on immigration status. For my ethical principles of an immigration beat, I chose respect, non-discrimination, values, and justice. For respect, I decided to go with the voices. I think that we all have to respect immigration voices. The history of America does include immigrants, and immigrants are everywhere, including our workplaces, restaurants, homes, and many more. So it's just important to respect all immigrants and what they have gone through. I also chose non-discrimination because immigration includes different cultures from pretty much everywhere. Some immigrants were brought to America against their wills. For values, I chose the importance to American culture, being able to raise future generations, and better education and work as some values that I've seen for immigration. And lastly, I chose justice because immigration has formed different communities. They have left other countries, and they've also raised their children here, which pretty much just explains justice on that end. And then lastly, I believe my fault lines are my race, my work status, which is I'm employed because not all immigrants are employed whenever they come to the United States. And for class, I chose I'm middle class. And then for my geographic location, I chose the United States of America because I am a citizen of the United States of America.